The version 2.0 of the add-on Animax is a complete rewrite of the animation system. It's now powered by geometry nodes, which results a better performance, and most importantly, getting rid of the old system's limitations. Unfortunately, it's not as easy to use as the old versions, but it's much more capable. And much easier than using geometry nodes. With this new version of Animax, you will be able to create some amazing animations. Now, let's take a quick look at what the new system has to offer. Like the old versions, it's possible to animate a collection of objects. In addition, it's now possible to add and animate a text without the need to separate the letters and all the extra work. And it's also possible to animate any geometry node tree that outputs instances. And you can control the inputs right from the add-on's UI. This new version offers 12 different effects that could be combined and synchronized to create complicated animations. And you can save your effects as a preset. Actually, the add-on comes packed with 34 different presets for you to choose from. Now it's possible to control the offset using an object, like the effectors in Cinema 4D. And it's possible to use a texture to control the offset. Finally, you can animate the materials using Animax with the help of the attribute node. Those are the highlights of this release. You will find the complete list of new features in the products page. And in the description, you will find detailed tutorials on how to use the add-on.